Meaning of granny flat.
Granny flat.
Granny flat.
Granny flat.
Granny flat. A granny flat is a self-contained living space located on the same property as a single-family home. It is typically designed to accommodate an elderly family member or provide rental income. Also known as an accessory dwelling unit, ADU, a granny flat usually includes a bedroom, bathroom, living area, and kitchenette. The term granny flat originated in Australia, where it was common for families to build small residences on their properties for aging relatives. In recent years, the concept has gained popularity in other countries as a way to address affordable housing shortages and multi-generational living.